hard work. Why am I doing this to myself? Hey y'all, and welcome back to another week of us working on my future sewing studio. Yes, this is the Steph Time headquarters, and this week we are working on insulation and drywall. Now, if you've never worked with fiberglass insulation before, do not fear because it is quite easy. You just want to cut it to the height of the studs that you're installing it in between, and then you're just gonna shove it in there. It's already pre-measured to your standard 16 on center stud spacing, so the actual installation is quite easy. But I do have to say, working with fiberglass, you have to be very, very careful. Wear your PPE, wear long gloves, because those little fiberglass shards will get stuck in your skin and you'll be itching for days on end. So just be careful, and it's gonna be just fine, okay? And the reason we went with batt fiberglass insulation instead of something else is because it's good at insulating, it's flame retardant, it's inexpensive, and it's not asbestos. So good skill to have. Put it on my resume. Yeah, you read that right. We got to enjoy a solar eclipse while we were on the job. Our boss gave us a break to enjoy it, and basically the moon was like, hey, what if I went between the sun and the earth today and created these gorgeous shadows everywhere? So obviously we had to go out and enjoy it.
My little eclipse kitty.
We didn't have any eclipse viewing glasses, so what I did instead was made a little pinhole using a metal lid from a candle I had, poked some holes in it, and it was the perfect viewing device. But my absolute favorite way to look at it was through the shadows in the trees. That's so neat. All right, so as you can see, we have put in all the insulation. Hold on. Much better. We are about to do some drywall. We're gonna start with this wall over here and kind of work our way around. Feeling good about it?
Feeling good about it. It's so quiet in here, wow.
So quiet. We just did a echo test.
By doing this, I'm lowering the R value. Just kidding.
Hope you guys have been enjoying watching the process thus far. I haven't been checking in too much because we've just been laser focused. What's going on with these overheads? Turn off the lights. Is it better? No, it's just very dark. On a rainy day, might have to turn on the lights. But normally, the lighting is quite spectacular in here. And this door will actually be a glass door, which will be really nice. Yeah, this would be the perfect spot for a chair. I feel like I have to put a chair here. Ow. I think I see. Oh, I see him.
Yeah.
Nice. I love that we have some owls.
I agree.
No, it's not. Flooring.
Yeah, but that's just like easy. We can throw all those in. When we get the flooring, we can throw it all in a trailer and tote it back here. It's the last like 4x8 thing. This is all the sheetrock though. This should cover everything in the main room, which is good.
The drywall has to be 1/2 inch off the ground, so Alex cut off a little strip of 1/2 inch plywood we have. And we're putting it at the base where the flooring and the baseboards will go, so that we can just stake the drywall right on top of it and screw it in from there. Hot tip, hopefully it works just great.
I'll set it down and I'll come help you lift it up. Oh, 16 so off.
They're not, it's because of the window.
Oh, because that's the window. Yeah, so that's the 16.
So that's where we need to put it. Which makes me think, I don't know. Okay.
Oh!
We ended up cutting all these pieces of dead wood. Yeah, and this isn't even really stapled in, so just pop that out, put some dead wood behind it.
Yeah.
Well, that worked out. Hard work. Uh-oh, what about this hole, the cable?
Uh-oh.
Looks like we'll need a secondary cut. We got our secondary cuts to go around the wire. I love dead wood. Great job. You're just getting close up on my butt.
Nope.
How do we know where the window's at?
You. When I looked up like tips and tricks for drywall the other day on Reddit, there's a bunch of good stuff, but biggest thing people said is basically don't fix it in post. They were like, make sure you fix it all when you're just doing it the right way first. You don't like say you just fix it with mud because it's gonna suck, and all I can think about is like, well, we'll just fix it with some mud.
I just wanted to open it up so we could see.
Yeah, see, that's perfect. Yeah.
My cleaner. Buzzsaw is the way to go.
Well,
Looks great though. Why am I doing this to myself? Thought I was better than a ruler. Turns out, not.
I know you do it once right, and you're like, oh, I got this.
You're like, wow, I am a pro. Yeah, we were.
Yeah.
Awesome, you did a great job.
Wow, cool. The no measuring?
We had to cut the power. Working in the dark.
Ready?
Oh no!
Just look in the keyhole and you'll see if it's center or not. Okay.
You guys, the circuit broke. This is bad news. Looks like we're gonna be in the dark here for forever, I guess. Wish us luck. Hopefully we can forage for food and it won't get too cold. Only time will tell. I'll check in with you guys later. What happened? Oh God.
We'll grab a sheet, right when we'll stand it up, I'll take it over, you come on this side, you put it here, I'll put screws from the outside, I'll work on screwing it in, and then you cut it out.
Hello and welcome to day 3. We have insulated and done about half the drywall, but as you can see, there's still wall that remains bare, so that's what we're working on today. I'm sick of wearing this mask. We had to turn off the power again, but the sun just came out, so I'll take what I can get. Cut that sheet short to here, so we might as well do one from here to here. Sucks because we just put it up, but it'll be fine. I'd rather
Yeah, I get it. I'm saying. So this one we'll have to cut
to 44, and then we'll do from here to here or whatever. Let's just take it back.
If this is giving us issues, our best course of action to make this look best is to put a sheet like this, not like this, because the seam will show the problem, as where a sheet would cover up any problems. You know what I mean?
Okay, go.
Not looking this way.
All right, having an arch in the hallway was always part of the plan. It's been on our Pinterest board for a very long time, so Alex decided to tackle this, and he pretty much did everything by himself. He did a plywood structure, which turned out so gorgeous, as well as some 2x4s to help kind of frame it out. As you can see here, look at this arch. Looks so good. Wow. And while he was at it, he just went ahead and drywalled the entire hallway and like a quarter of the living room area. He's just been tirelessly working.
Don't mind me just missing the stud about 1,000,000 times.
All right, it's almost time to break for pizza. So the way we got this archway beautifully smooth was by using 2 sheets of 1/4-inch drywall. The way we got them malleable enough to bend like this was actually by taking them outside and spraying them down with a hose. We soaked them so they could bend nicely, and they installed quite nice if you ask me. Alex did a wonderful job on this, and while he was at it, he went ahead and installed the ceiling for the hallway as well as the electrical so we can put a little light up there. Then Alex and his dad went completely ham on the house by drilling a huge hole in it, through concrete and through brick, to install these 2 mini split HVAC units for our living area as well as my office. And y'all, this has made such a huge difference already. Big news. Wow, we have air. Great job, guys. Time for my garden. I have a few garden beds for the very first time at our new house, and I grew some carrots, and I'm pulling them so I can put many more exciting things into the garden, but aren't they just so cute? They were also so delicious. I'm having so much fun gardening this year. I would love to know if you guys are into plants, flowers, gardening. Let me know. Started all of these tomatoes from seed, and I got them in the bed with some basil, and I got some peas growing. And my berry bushes are popping off, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, as well as this beautiful calendula. I kind of made it a goal for myself to start doing like seasonal bouquets with whatever I have growing, and this is one of my first of the year, and I love it so much. As well as my very first peony. I've been growing these for like 3 years, and I was so excited to see it bloom for the very first time that I cut it and took it with me on a trip, and it smelled fantastic. All right, let's not get distracted. Alex is working on the corner bead for my room. What's it called?
Bullnose.
Bullnose. As well as just mudding the entire room. He did all of that, and he did a fantastic job. What'd you say?
So you look in the corners, I even did paper tape.
Then Alex got to do his number one favorite thing to do for this whole build, which was install a door.
It turns out doors are much harder than you think.
Not gonna lie, that process was a little rough, but y'all, we made it through, we persevered, and now we have a gorgeous closet.
So much for all the trim.
And we just ripped it off.
Yeah.